How much does it cost to send 1 million emails a month with System.io? A critical question for any scaling business is understanding the cost of high-volume email. Many email marketing platforms charge based on contacts and email volume. This can lead to costs exceeding $1,000 per month for sending a million emails. At System.io, our pricing philosophy is different. Unlimited email sending is included in all our plans. For a list large enough to send millions of emails, the cost is a flat $97 per month with our unlimited plan, and includes unlimited contacts. 1. Our pricing philosophy: pay for contacts, not for email sending. Our plans are tiered based on the number of contacts in your account, not the number of emails you send. This model gives you predictable costs. It encourages you to build a strong relationship with your audience without worrying about your bill. Our plans scale with your contact list. Free plan: unlimited sending for up to 2,000 contacts. Startup plan: unlimited sending for up to 5,000 contacts. Plan: unlimited sending for up to 10,000 contacts. Unlimited plan: unlimited sending for unlimited contact. 2. Proof of performance for high-volume deliverability. Our infrastructure is designed for affordability and high-performance deliverability. We use our own System.io account to run our business. This shows what is possible on our platform. Here is a summary of our account's performance for a full month. Emails sent, over 4 million. Average open rate, 42.1%. These results show the level of performance you can achieve. This success comes from our powerful infrastructure and your good sending practices. 3. Best practices for achieving high deliverability. To maintain a high open rate like ours, follow these industry standard best practices. A. Authenticate your domain. This is essential for serious email senders. Authenticate your domain using SPF, DKIM. Proves to internet service providers like Gmail and Outlook that you are legitimate. It drastically improves inbox placement. Click here to learn how to authenticate your personal domain name. B. Clean your list regularly. Only send emails to people who gave explicit consent to be on your list. Regularly remove inactive contacts who haven't opened an email in 3 to 6 months. Also remove bounced email addresses to keep engagement rates high. Click here to learn more about email list cleaning. C. Warm up your sending. If migrating a large list to System.io, warm up your sending reputation gradually. Start by emailing your most engaged contacts first. Slowly increase volume over 7 to 14 days. Click here to learn more about our recommended warm-up strategy. D. Understand our pool system. Our automated system protects deliverability by grouping senders into pools based on performance metrics like open rate, spam rate, and bounce rate. Good practices places you in a low-risk pool for the best deliverability. Click here to learn more about how our email sending system works. 4. Conclusion: scale your business, not your bill. System.io offers a simple flat fee structure so you can grow your business without worrying about rising email costs. Combine our powerful infrastructure with good sending practices to scale your email marketing effectively. A digital business to create ongoing income so we can follow our dreams and live an ideal life. If you are looking to start your own digital business, visit newbeginning.com and grab various free resources right now. Remember, these resources are absolutely free. Find access to these free resources in the first pinned comment below. God bless you. Thanks a bunch.